Zidoo has announced the launch of a new model of multimedia player for the season that comes thinking of users of projectors and 4K TVs looking for a mid-high-end model compatible with videos of up to 60 FPS and HDR10. The Z1000, a team that for benefits and price seems to be between the Z10 and X20 models of the brand, but adding a better finish and a renewed LCD LED panel. It has chosen to use the same Realtek 1296 quad-core 64 A53 CPU that they claim is 30% faster than the previous generation Realtek 1295, accompanied by 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of eMMC storage expandable by a bay for hard drives SATA 3.5 inches. With Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity, Wi-Fi AC 867 Mbps, Gigabit Ethernet port, fiber optic connector, coaxial, RCA analog audio outputs, 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 other 2.0. It also comes with HDMI 2.0 output, an HDMI input and an RS-232 port. The new Zidoo Z1000 will reach distributors in May,